We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. 'Tis the season for holiday recipes. Today we're making delicious Sakatumi pound cake, a recipe given to me by my friend Miss Lily Boston. And here are our ingredients. Okay, in my mixing bowl, I have added my butter. Now I'm adding my sugar. And we're gonna mix this. We're gonna let this cream. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our Streusel filling. I'm adding my pecans, my brown sugar. Now I'm adding my nutmeg and cinnamon. We're gonna mix this together. And now it's ready for the pound cake. Here I have let my butter and sugar cream for like 10 to 12 minutes. And now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Add your eggs one at a time. Here I'm adding my sour cream. Here I'm wiping the sides of my bowl down to make sure it is well incorporated. And now I'm adding my vanilla extract. Now I'm adding my cake flour. After you add all your flour, make sure your batter is well blended. Everything is blended well. Then turn off your mixer because you don't want to overmix your batter. Here I'm spraying my cake pan down with a baking spray. Make sure you spray your pan well, okay? Now I'm placing my batter into my cake pan. We're only adding half of the batter for now. Now we're adding our strudel. We want to place this all around on top of our batter as evenly as we can. And we're going to spread this around. And now we're going to add the rest of our batter on top. And we're going to spread this around as evenly as we can. We're going to place our cake in a 325 degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we're going to be right back. Okay, I just removed my cake from the oven. And I'm going to let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to place it on a cake plate. And I'm going to be right back. Okay, I just took my cake out of the pan. So I'm going to let this completely cool. But while it's cooling, I'm going to make the icing for my cake. Okay, here we go. Here I'm adding my powdered sugar, my vanilla extract, and my milk. And we're going to mix this together until it is smooth. I decided to add another tablespoon of sugar because I prefer mine a little bit thicker. Okay, y'all, let's get to icing this cake. As y'all can see, y'all can do it any way as y'all prefer. This is the way I decided to do mine. If you spread it on top, it will, drip on the sides. And so I decided to put more on the top so it can do just that. And like I say, you can do it any way you prefer. Now I'm going to spread the icing around on the top. And y'all, this cake smells so good. And so does the icing. You can use lemon juice instead of the vanilla extract. Make this recipe yours, okay? I'm going to finish icing my cake and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. We're about to cut this cake. Y'all, I wish y'all can smell how good it smells in this kitchen. It smells so good. You can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Okay, y'all, here's our socket to me pound cake. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Thank you, Miss Lily Boston, for sharing this delicious recipe with us. I tried it, y'all, and it is so moist and delicious. I hope y'all try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. I hope everyone have a safe and prosperous new year and that everyone be in good health. And we're praying for better days ahead. Okay, y'all, don't forget we do have a family channel, Miss Brenda D Plays. Go over there sometime if you get a chance and show my family some love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our family channel as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get all our new and upcoming videos. Okay, well, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye. For now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit.